If you've lost access to your Hotels.com account and can't access your email, follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Hotels.com website. Go to the official Hotels.com website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page and click on it to access the login page. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the recovery process. Step 4. Provide account information. You will be prompted to enter the information associated with your account, such as your username or phone number. Fill in the required fields and submit the form. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you cannot recover your account through the website, reach out to Hotels.com customer support via phone or chat. Provide them with your account details, and they will assist you in recovering your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Hotels.com account even without your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.